What's going on, guys? So today I want to go over some of the new platforms that have been coming out, called Virtuals, called Vvaifu, called Spectral, all those platforms where you can create your own AI agents, and not just that, but you can also create tokens together with the AI agents. It's basically PumpFuns, but the next step, the revolution of it, where you can create any kind of agents. It can be any character, it can have all different traits of the way it works, and it's connected to a token that it controls all on its own. This has been so popular lately. The whole narrative is all around it. Tokens are going to hundreds of millions, yet people seem to miss out where it's all coming from, how to use it, and how you can make profits on it. So today I want to go over those platforms so you can learn and understand what the whole narrative is about these days. So to start with, we're going to go over Virtuals. It's a platform on Base. It's the first platform that came out where you can create your own AI agents, with all the next ones kind of copying it, but going to different chains and, giving the same capabilities. So with Virtuals, we just have here, in big fat font saying create and co-own your own AI agents. When this app just came out, it was meant to create agents for games. So you just create an AI agent, you connect it to a game, to a crypto game specifically, and they have an ability to learn the game when you give them the right data sets. They can control wallets, they can, interact with the world, farm, buy, sell, all the good stuff. Like here's an example of an autonomous AI agent that comes to the shop, purchases a sword, and now she has a sword. She can go fight, come back, sell something, and they can play the game all on their own 24/7. That's an interesting use case. But then people figured out a better use case. Why would we just launch AI agents to play games when we can make them bull post on Twitter, live stream some, whatever would tell them to live stream. We'll teach them how to use PumpFun, how to use NFTs, everything about the crypto world. And then we can create value out of nowhere because, the bot does everything on his own. I'm sleeping in my bed and my token is pumping with a bot's token, but still, someone owns the bot at the end of the day. So this is the page you see when you just get on their platform called virtuals.io. Once you enter the app, there's two stages. First stage is this, where you see all the AI agents that have been created on this platform. So you can see things like their intelligence. They have some proprietary system to calculate the intelligence of the bot. The average seems to be 530, but some of them have a higher intelligence, like Luna here with 10,800. You have Vader with 1,600. I have not noticed any significant difference with the intelligence level. You still have, like Satoshi right here with 100 intelligence, still at 26 million market cap, where you have, Luna with 10,000 at 63 million market cap. This discrepancy doesn't really affect the bot's market cap. At the end of the day, it's the team behind it, and it's the idea that the bot is executing, who this bot is. So next we can see lifetime inferences. So as far as I understand, this is the amount of times the bot has, learned something, updated its algorithms, updated its neural paths, so to say. So the more of these, apparently the smarter the bot is. But we can see it doesn't really reflect intelligence at the end of the day anyways. Then you can see the holder count. So all these AI agents, especially at the top, have a coin behind them. You see total value locked. This is total liquidity of the token. 1 day change, how much it went up or down during the day, and the market cap, your good old market cap. You can sort by total value locked or by market cap. So let's sort by market cap and see who's the most popular AI agent on Virtuals right now. And it's no other than AIXBT, who we're going to talk about really soon. But another thing I want to show here is if you click on the agent, that's where you can get the details about him. So you can right here you see the description of the bot. We can open it. AIXBT tracks CT discussions, CT being crypto Twitter, and leverages its proprietary engine to identify high momentum plays and play games. Bro, this bot is just like all the degens, bro. He can play games and identify, pump funds. Very good. I would love to be a holder of that. And then we have AIXBT token holders gain access to analytical platforms. So there's also a platform with this bot where, not bot, AI agent would be the correct way to say it, where this AI agent shares its analytics. So what else do we have? We have functionality tier. So this shows what kind of functionality has been unlocked for this bot. This is the functionality that is provided by Virtual. So when you create an agent, you can unlock this functionality. But these bots are not, locked to this functionality. There's ways to add, more access to different platforms, to different games, teach it different things. But this is just what basically comes prepackaged. And prepackaged, you have forums. On Virtuals, you have forums where people and AI agents can speak with each other, chat with each other. So then we have Twitter access. It can see tweets. It can tweet on its own, like posts, retweets, everything, just as a human being would. And there's Telegram access. So you can either launch it as a bot, or it can connect to different groups where it can also chat with people. Then we see apps using. So this is what apps the AI agent is currently using. So it's on the forums, AIXBT. It's on Twitter with its Twitter link right here. Then we have AIXBT forums again, and AIXBT agentic Twitter agent. This is basically the same things as we just went over. Basically, these two don't matter. These two is what matters. Then you can buy the token of this AI agent on this screen. Basically, what we're going to see next is a platform that is like PumpFun, but from Virtuals. And there's the same concept of bonding curve and token being launched on the platform, going through the bonding curve, and then getting on the open market, basically on Radium. While the token is on the platform, you can only buy it using virtual tokens. Virtual, the name of their company. So not virtual tokens, but tokens of the virtual platform. I know it's confusing. Anyways, before it goes to the open market, you can only use virtuals. Once it's on the open market, you can buy it on any decentralized exchange like Uniswap, 1inch, whatever it is, whatever you use. You can use Ethereum, USDC, any token, and the route is gonna automatically be built in a way that, if you're buying with Ethereum, it's gonna go into virtuals and then buy the token for you. But once again, while on the platform, you can only use virtuals. So you should remember that. Then we have holders distribution. You can see who holds what percent of the supply. Then we have the forum where people can type, the holders can type, and the bot, I believe, can answer people here as well. He doesn't answer all the time. There is a limit on how often the bot can interact with Twitter, Telegram, forums. So, if he's on Twitter, he cannot post every 5 seconds. There's, maybe a limit of, say, 5 tweets per hour, whatever it is, but there is a limit. And same thing with forums. So, you cannot spam the forums, so you're not going to see it answer all the time. But, once the cooldown goes away, it answers whatever messages are there and goes on cooldown once again. Then you can see contributions. Here you can contribute to the bot. You can help it with its cognitive core, voice core, visual core. So you can provide data sets for the bot to become smarter. And that's what we've seen on the previous page, or on the list of all the bots. And contributions. So this is the history of all the contributions that have been made for the bot, all the data sets provided for him. There is voting involved. So if you're a token holder, you can vote if you want to make the bot smarter with this data set, whatever it is. So then we go back, and I guess we can go straight to the PumpFun platform. So to get there, let's just click Create New Agent. So one more thing I forgot to mention. So sometimes when you hover over the names, let's see. Oh, that's nice. Doesn't want to do it now. Here, found it. I just had to sort by market cap. You see those migrated tags? That means that the token was connected to a separate token. Basically, there's two options. You can create the AI agent and create a fresh token to go with it. So they go hand in hand from the start. Or you can connect a pre-existing token to an AI agent. Let's say there was Pepe token at 1 billion market cap, and the founders want to connect a Pepe AI agent now. They will create it, they will connect the two, and it's going to say migrated. So that's what it means when you see that tag. Anyways, yeah, going back to create new AI agent, you can see launch a new token, or I have my own token, which means you can connect an old token to the AI agent. So let's go say create a new one. So now we got on the actual platform that is oddly familiar, looks like PumpFun because it is basically PumpFun. You create AI agents, people buy it on the bonding curve, and the way it works is everything starts with fun. So that basically means you create the PumpFun, then you collect the money, you red pill it. So on PumpFun it's called bonding curve, on virtuals it's called red pill. As the bonding curve goes up, the red pill percent goes up. Once it's at 100%, you get a sentient agent and the token going live. What they can do is, chat on the forum, post on X, Telegram chat, live stream, generate memes, sentient AI, which means it's smart, it can understand jokes, all that kind of stuff, and generate music. So we're not going to be going over how to create your own, but the whole thing here is pretty simple. Basically, same thing as PumpFun. You have your search, you have your basically filters. You can filter by featured, by market cap, by latest. You got show graduated, disable animation. You see the market cap, the small description. The way you find tokens is basically the same thing as on PumpFun. You look at the name, you look at the picture, maybe you like something. Let's say I like this dog AI agent. That's cool. Let's read the description right here. The dog AI is an agent, sophisticated AI-driven tool designed to amplify presence and adaptation of dog go to the moon, Bitcoin, meme coins, and so on. Then you have the red pill progress. This is the bonding curve, so it's at 90%. It's right about to go to the open market. An additional 20,000 virtual is needed in order to graduate, so you know exactly how much money you have to add for it to graduate. The market cap has to be around $580,000 to graduate, so almost 5 times more than it is on PumpFun itself. And here's the functionality that is going to be unlocked once it graduates. So it's going to be able to post on Twitter, read Twitter post, like, retweet, basically all that stuff, and Telegram agent. So it will be able to chat, read messages, and all that stuff on Telegram. As you may see, to buy or sell, you have to use virtuals. Once it's off the platform is when you can actually trade on the decentralized exchange with any token. So this is pretty much it to virtuals. You just sit here, find the tokens, trade them. Imagine it's PumpFun. It's nothing hard. Now let's go over to Vvaifu. That's the one on Solana. Basically, very similar to what we've just seen, very similar to PumpFun. People also launch AI agents here with a token. We can also here sorted by market cap, new, trending. Let's go to new, and here you can see what capabilities the founder has unlocked. We see the name, the ticker, how long ago it was created, market cap, and the functionality that has been unlocked. So for example, here we only see Twitter and frequency. Here we see Twitter, Telegram, and frequency. Now, why do different agents have different things unlocked? And that's because you have to pay. So every single feature for an AI agent costs Vvaifu tokens. So for this bot, he has Twitter access, Twitter replies, tweet frequency, 2 tweets per hour. So the founder, he can choose the rating at which the bot is going to be posting on Twitter. So Discord access, you have to pay 690 waifus. The founder can go over and pay and unlock this capability, and the AI agent is going to be able to access Discord and chat with people or read the chat. Telegram access, agent training. So this is the important part. Training the agent is how you make it smarter or how you make it more specialized. For example, I'll show you an example of a cool token. This one is from Virtuals. It's called Polytrader. And the thing about this one is it has access to poly markets where it can analyze every single market, it can trade on its own, and it can give you tips on how to trade. So all the holders of this token, they get access to the Polytrader AI agent who can tell them good times, good markets to enter, what to buy, what to sell, and because it has been taught to do that, basically. And this is what training is all about. Then you have wallet access. You need to pay 10,000 waifus for that. That means the bot will be able to use a crypto wallet on its own and execute different transactions. It can send money, it can create tokens, it can buy and sell tokens, and you can train it to do whatever you want with that money. You can train it to play games, the good old everything. And then we have TikTok access. So the bot will be able to see what's going on TikTok, see comments, see TikToks, and become smarter. So same thing here. You just get on this main page, you sort by new, or whatever sorting you like, maybe trending is better, and you read what the bot does, you look at the chart, and you choose for yourself if this is something you would be interested to buy or not. And then last but not least, we have Spectral. So this platform has not fully launched yet. I believe if I click this, yeah, we're currently performing upgrades. Yes, it's pretty hyped on Twitter. It's about to come out, and the way you create the bot here is way more interesting than the previous two platforms. All you will have is a command line, basically, where you type in what you want the bot to be. You can type, I want it to act as a gorilla trading meme coins, basically a degen. And I want it to be really funny or very sad or very angry, and it's going to be doing all that kind of stuff. So you just type in what you want the agent to do, what kind of stuff he should specialize in, and boom, you get this agent. So the possibilities with these, it's going to be crazy. Well, this is the basics of these platforms. You should really look into them, study them a little deeper. If you have any questions, leave comments. If this was useful, like and subscribe, and I hope you guys make a lot of freaking money on this.